Hello students, I'm Abhinav and you're watching College Dekho. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief analysis of what to expect in the TS ICET question paper which will be held in a couple of days. So TS ICET is going to be held on the 19th and 20th of August, right? So it will be held as a CBT, as a computer based test in 3 shifts, with 2 shifts on day 1 and 1 on day 2. So the exam timings will be 10 AM to 12:30 PM for the forenoon shift or the first shift, and 2:30 PM to 5 PM for the afternoon shift, right? So Kakatiya University has not made any changes to the exam pattern for TS ICET this year. The exam pattern will remain the same as last year. There will be 3 sections of the exam, with analytical ability having 75 questions, mathematical ability having 75 questions again, and a communication ability section having 50 questions in the exam, right? So the total duration will be 150 minutes or 2.5 hours. I'm not going into like detail about the exam pattern. I'll just leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Right. By a study of the previous year papers of TS ICET, it can be said with some surety that TS ICET will be a moderate to difficult exam. Right. So students should not expect a very easy question paper in TS ICET. They should ensure that they study the previous year question papers and attempt the mock to be well prepared for the exam. Now coming to the section wise difficulty level, communication ability is generally the easiest section in TS ICET question paper, right? So most of the questions in communication ability are from RC, grammar and vocab. RCs are generally short and easy to understand, and questions are mostly easy in this section, with some being moderate. Okay, all in all, students do not face much difficulty when attempting the communication ability section in TS ICET. Now the second most difficult section in the exam is analytical ability. So analytical ability is a moderate section mostly, but it has its fair share of moderate to difficult questions, right? So the data sufficiency questions in this section are moderate. Data analysis is a bit more time consuming as it is calculation intensive, but is otherwise easier to attempt. Reasoning questions in this section are generally easy to moderate. So analytical ability, the difficulty level may vary from shift to shift. So generally it is between moderate and difficult, right? So students are able to give a decent attempt in this section. So the one section that students dread the most in TS ICET is mathematical ability. Each year students report that it is a difficult or very difficult section across shifts basically. So why students find this section difficult is that it has calculation intensive questions first of all, and concept based questions which can get tough to attempt, especially in an exam environment. So if you can either do calculations fast or minimize calculation, you'll have an easier time with these questions. And again, if you have your concepts clear, you'll have a easier time to relatively easy time when attempting these questions, right? So students appearing in TS ICET can aim for a 140 plus or 150 plus score to get a good rank in the exam, and a score of around 110 to 120 can be said to be an average score in the exam. Again, make sure that you consult the last year's question paper as well as mock test to be prepared for the exam, to have an idea of what to expect in this year's question paper, and keep confidence in your preparation. Best of luck. I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.